I don't know how often you allow yourself to actually ask these questions, but what do you intend to do? Where do you intend to go? What do you intend to have? And maybe most importantly, who do you intend to be? What are your intentions? You might call them goals, aspirations. And how aligned are you with those intentions? Because if you're out of alignment from a law of attraction standpoint, it's going to be really hard to manifest what you want. From a behavioral, psychological standpoint, if you're out of alignment, it's going to be very difficult to do what it takes to achieve what you want. So, I have the creation hands from Michelangelo here. And, if you think about it, that gap between Adam's finger and God's finger, if you think of God's hand, God being God, if you choose, universe, source, it could also represent happiness, your goals, whatever it is that you want to experience, and recognizing that that space in between is the resistance. It's that part of you that's out of alignment. The fingers are out of alignment, and it's on our part that stops us from being more fully aligned. And, if we allow ourselves to do some tapping to clear that resistance, then we become aligned. So, alignment is a really good thing, and it's best if it's done consistently. So that's why I am running a program called Your Daily Intention Alignment. So each day, just for 10, 15 minutes, we're going to get together on Zoom and think about what it is that we want to have in our lives and who we want to be, what our real intentions are, our best intentions. And then we'll do some tapping to clear the resistance, whatever keeps us from being aligned with those intentions. So it's a powerful thing to do on a daily basis. Anyway, it's going to be even more powerful as we do it in a group. So I hope you'll join us to allow yourself to become even more aligned with those intentions because your success benefits others as well. So allow yourself to tap into your best self and join us for the daily intention alignment. You can find out more information at tapwithbrad.com/DIA. Thanks.